Welcome. My name is Max from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today we're going through the bicycle riding exercise from the ACE home-based maintenance program. The purpose of this exercise is to increase your core strength, so you should predominantly feel it in your lower abdominals. I will provide a couple levels of difficulty, so choose one that feels like a comfortable challenge for you to start. For the bicycle riding exercise, it is important, like for every other core exercise, that you get that pelvic tilt and engage your core throughout the exercise, and really watch out again that your lower back stays connected to the ground the whole time. So how it will look from the side is like this. So you will start in a laying down position. You'll have your feet like that, angled, and then perform the pelvic tilt. So have the hip tilted so that you engage your core and the lower back is on the ground. Now lift one leg at a time till they're both in a 90-degree angle here, and then you extend one leg out at a time while the other one is up, and then switch like you would ride a bicycle. Throughout this whole time, you keep your neck relaxed, facing upwards, and always important to keep that lower back connected. Only go as far as your body allows you to go without your back lifting off of the mat. So if you feel like your back's about to lift off, just go back from there, so you don't have to extend your leg all the way out. Possible modifications would be that you just do one leg at a time. So you could be here in this position and then just have one leg going at a time, and then do the other leg. Same thing here. As with all the exercises, please ensure to read the disclaimer before engaging in any of the exercises. Thank you.